Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the flag within your account on the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the chess.com game website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button underneath the search box and then use your credentials. After logging in using your credentials, if you wish to change the flag that is displayed alongside your username, click on Settings at the bottom left section. Then click on All Settings and you will be taken into your settings page. Now within the profile section, if you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to find your country section. Just click on the drop down menu and choose whichever country you wish to use for your account. After choosing your desired country, you can click on the Save button and your country will be changed right away. And along with your country, the respective flag will also be added alongside your username. If you wish to change this option at any time, you can come back to the menu and choose whichever country you wish to use and the flag will be used on your account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your flag within the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.